Welcome back, everybody. So today I'd like to talk about this APECS stainless steel padlock that I just got yesterday. And it's always been one of my bucket list items to obtain one of these rekeyable locks. I've seen similar locks sold in AliExpress, and frankly, AliExpress is very good at showing pictures of various locks, but what you get is completely different. So buyer beware when you shop AliExpress. I think it goes without saying that China is very good at rebranding products worldwide, and you're going to see various locks similar to this in various countries under various names. It's just proprietary labeling. They can package it however they want. They can change the keys however they want. Here's the key for this lock, and it's kind of attractive, and the cuts are well done. You get 4 keys with this lock, and the disc are 6 disc with a 7th dead disc in the rear, which acts like a ward cut on a key. And this is the second lock that I've seen that has that dead disc in the rear. Why do they do it? I think it's because they're trying to retain the key and it reduces key wear, because people tend to want to pull the key out and it just guarantees even alignment with the disc. But I'm kind of disappointed. This is one of the more expensive locks in my area that you can go and buy online, and it's way overpriced for what you're getting. Very disappointed for what it is. The quality of the disc are quite good, stainless steel, and even the spacers are stainless steel. I took this apart and just observed the first couple of components. All very well made. Tolerances are very good, but not good enough. The picking is was quite easy on this lock. I was able to open it for the first time within 10 minutes. And well, let's give it a show. I'll be right back. Let me set the disc and put the tool on. Stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. I've got this thing set, and this is my hands-free, perfect grip, anti-slip design onto the silver bullet. Frankly, there's no reason why this design couldn't be done on any 6mm shaft out there. I'm just waiting for some manufacturer to rip me off. I'll be waiting. Anyway, let me show you how the process is with this lock. And tolerances are kind of readable. So I'm getting kind of maybe a 20-degree rotation on that first or second disc. And I'm trying to match that on various subsequent disc. So I'm just going to kind of go down it. And patience is the key when it comes to these locks. Go back to that first disc. Yeah, first disc feels, there we go. Okay, that's what I'm looking for right there. That kind of sway. So trying to match. This one feels kind of tight, but we'll leave it alone for now. So I noticed that I'm not really getting any disc setting as I go deeper so much. And sometimes that's a case of maybe the prior disc wasn't set. This one here feels resistive, but it feels tight. Go back to that first one. That feels set. I'm going to go all the way to the dead disc, jump over it, go on number 6. That feels set. So most of my disc feels set at this point. What I'm kind of doing here is just seeing which one feels a little more stiff or lack of movement. And for some reason, that's the way it is with this lock. Not to say there's false gates in this lock, there isn't. But one gate seems a little tighter than the rest. So I do have some practice on this lock prior to making this video. And you might call this just a sort of a reenactment. And frankly, guys, I don't like picking these locks on camera because I'm stretching almost 1.5 feet in front of me across the table, and it's very uncomfortable to do it like this. I can barely see over the camera. Need to get new camera equipment to do these videos. Okay, that feels set. Which one's not behaving? That feels set. That feels set. There we go. Open. Anyway, again, the major disappointment on this lock is the price. And what's funny is if you were to buy similar locks in AliExpress, the shipping costs as much as the lock, if not more. But the benefits of this, rekeyable. The disc and the spacers are excellent quality. Good weather resistance, but the price, for what it is, it's not much more difficult to pick than the standard cheap Chinese brass disc detainer padlocks. So I just think that there's so much more that this company could have done, or I should say China should have done for the company. And it just did not meet my expectations. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy seeing my anti-slip perfect grip demonstration in action. More to come. Thanks for watching.